Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y61. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter biometrics and password. First, let's go to lock screen password, and as you can see right here we've got the first unlock method, which is 6-digit PIN. You can also go to change unlock method and select between 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern and password. Let's set up only 6-digit PIN between pins, because they are the same, but with different length. So let's set up the PIN, and now let's use it to unlock the phone. Once it's done, let's go to change lock screen password, and next let's select password. Enter password containing 4 to 32 characters. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. And let's proceed to last password method, which is pattern. Simply enter it and create line by using at least 4 dots. Again, let's use it to unlock the phone. And now we can go to biometrics. Firstly, let's select fingerprint ID. Select unlock device. And now tap your fingerprint sensor multiple times. Each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Fingerprint sensor is located on the power button. Don't press it, only tap it. Tap OK, and now you can use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select face recognition, get started, and simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned. I can use it to unlock the phone. Then you have to slide and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.